When you raise the mast of a boat, you know a project is about to come to an end. During the last 4 years, I've built Indra in a narrow downtown workshop. Now, as she's out, we'll give her some more visibility and make her what she's supposed to be. Come aboard the story of a wooden sailing boat named Endra. Indra has 24 foot of length, is 8 foot wide and carries a mast of something more than 27 foot. Quite impressive and pretty heavy. I've drawn a sail plan which did include a pair of spreaders to distribute better the loads. The mast top pins the aft shrouds and the forestay. The masthead had some spare locks if a backstay should come necessary. The lower shrouds are pinned right at the spreaders. And here comes the mobile tabernacle, which I screwed down to the deck beam. But alas, to lift the mast over this turning point was, even with joint forces, a mission too heavy. My dad and I had always been a very effective tag team, and a day later the necessary was invented to tackle it right. Like so many times I followed the proverb, enormous is a man's vigour, doing with extensions labour. And so I placed a lever on the step of the mast. Taking it by its forestay, using a pulley, I pulled. My dad pushed, and inch by inch the mast found to its vertical position. And there it stood, hanging nicely in the shrouds, crowned with a little branch which was teared off the tree while pivoting the spar up. It was just to lower the mast into its hole. To be honest, it takes a lot of my mind to see the mast set. I was bloody scared of that whole maneuver, and therefore even more satisfied that from now on I can call Indra a sailing vessel, and a pretty one too. Thanks for keeping fingers crossed and lifting your thumbs. See you.